What's a soulmate?
It's, well, it's like a best friend, but more. It's the one person in the world who knows you better than anyone else. It's someone who makes you a better person.
I wouldn't kill him because he looked as frightened as I was.
Actually, they don't make you a better person. You do that yourself. Because they inspire you.
I looked at him and I saw myself.
It's the one person who knew you and accepted you and believed in you before anyone else did.
You're not my son.
Or when no one else would.
Now I am strong. You gave me all. You gave all you had. And now I
A soulmate is someone who you carry with you forever. And no matter what happens, you'll always love them. Nothing can ever change that.